Alright guys, I'm going to apologize for the wind now. I left the house and it was nice and sunny out. And I'm on my way home now, and we have a fender bender because the rain is out, there's thunder and lightning. So I'm just here getting some video of the fender bender and if the cops show up tonight. I apologize if the video is a little crummy. I may have water on my lens. I'm going to try and clean it off. They're just sitting there in the car, so I'm hoping they're okay. I got this SUV here. Looks like maybe a Nissan. I have no idea. She's just sitting there. He or she, I can't tell. They're just sitting in the car.
I called 911.
My phone, I don't have a... My phone shut off.
Okay, well, they asked me to check for injuries.
I'm just getting some video just in case. You never know. I don't know who was at fault, but it looks like the SUV in the back was at fault. You guys okay?
There's no injuries?
We got this old laser.
No.
You guys are okay? Okay, good.
911 should be on the way.
No, I'm a cop watcher. I'm a cop watcher. So I know they're going to show up, so I'm here.
Yeah.
I just drove by and saw this, that's all. Yeah, I can't go live, guys. I'm going to keep wiping my thing off. But yeah, I can't go live because my phone's shut off. And I do apologize for the wind noise. And it's raining and I just want to make sure that everybody's okay. First off. Are you okay? No? Stop. Stop, 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 stop. Yeah, just that's, come across, come across. You want some help over to the side of the road, ma'am? Okay, did you call 911 at all?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I know that the restaurant called them too. What's hurting? Your stomach? Is it from the seatbelt or the airbag?
No, there's no airbag. I'm like nauseous.
Okay. All right, we've got a break coming up in the traffic here. It's not really safe for you here in the middle.
Right.
I can help you across if you want.
Okay, I'm super dizzy.
I understand. Just lean on me. You want to sit in the car? Okay. Well, either your tires went out or they slammed on their brakes, so I don't know what happened. So. She's got something wrong with her stomach and she said she's dizzy. I don't know exactly.
She called the police?
She called 911, yeah. I know the restaurant called 911 too. Are you guys okay?
Oh yeah, we're fine. My vehicle is...
You got that sturdy Chevy Blazer. Yeah. I'm recording right now, so I didn't see the accident. I just drove by after it all happened, so. anyway, I'm gonna go back over there because I'm not really a part of it.
Yeah, and you probably don't want to be in the middle of the road. That's
Yeah. Almost had another accident just here.
Yeah.
But I gotta wait for a break. Okay, so this is a Honda of some kind. I don't know the exact model. I'm a cop watcher. My feet are killing me, guys. All right, so this is Albuquerque Police Service Aid. So they're like citizen volunteers, I think. I don't know for sure. Man, people aren't even slowing down. I mean, I get you don't want to slow down too much and rubberneck, but when you see an accident with lights flashing, you should be slowing down. Yeah, this guy looks really young. Might even still be in the academy. Who knows? Here comes the fire department. They're gonna check everybody out. I'm assuming they're gonna turn around here. They just turned on their lights. I don't know if they're gonna block off the street or not. They'll probably pull up behind. So the cop's getting all their information. I call him a cop because he works for Albuquerque Police. And they're cutting this down to one lane. So that should actually slow down traffic, thank God. But yeah, they're driving that big old Chevy, that 80s Chevy Blazer, early 80s maybe mid 80s Chevy Blazer. And that thing, yeah, it's a tank. I mean, they probably barely felt it. But then again, you look at this Honda with a plastic bumper on it, and the bumper came off, but I don't think the woman's seriously injured, hopefully. God, I feel for these guys on their little... In the rain, guys. And of course they had to show off for the cops. Another unit just pulled up. I didn't even see him go by, but this is an actual police officer. It's an SUV coming up now. Sorry, I don't have a better camera for you guys. And again, I apologize for the wind sound. But I knew when I went home today that there was going to be an accident. It hadn't rained in so long, and there's so much oil and stuff built up on the ground that the moment that water hit these streets, it just, turned them into a slick mess. The rain's actually kind of quit. It's, you know, just spitting a little bit. Now what sucks is, if I remember right, like 99% of the time, the person that was in the back end is to blame, no matter what really happened. I honestly don't think they're going to arrest anybody for this kind of thing, unless one of them's drunk, but I doubt they're drunk. I doubt anybody was drinking. It's just these nasty wet roads, and it rains so infrequently here that, you know, when it does rain, the roads get nasty. They get almost as bad as like black ice. He's over there talking to them. I'm not going to move from here. I'm right on the corner. I'm in a safe spot. God, I apologize for this. Let me see if I can fix the settings on this. I'm going to stop it and restart it, guys. That's better. Here comes the paramedics. I don't know. No, they're pulling up, so they're not going to be blocking off the road completely. I'm not sure what they're doing. They may be coming around to the other side of the, because it looks like they're going up to make a U-turn, and they might come over here on the other side. Oh gosh, guys, I don't know why this focus keeps going in and out. I'm gonna try and reset it again. Hello. Hi.
Did you see it happen?
I did not see it happen. I came right after it.
Journalist?
Cop watcher.
You know what? You can make money off of that. There's a app where you can actually be doing that and send in a little description that pays you.
Oh, nice. I know that this driver had gotten out and was sitting down.
Oh, he crashed into the Bronco?
In the middle. Yeah, she crashed into the. It's a Chevy.
That's a OJ Bronco.
That's a Chevy.
Oh, it's a Chevy?
Yeah.
Oh shit. Same, looks the same.
Very similar, yeah. But she was sitting down in the middle median, and I actually went out there and helped her back into her car.
Oh, you did? Good for you.
I didn't want her sitting there in case someone.
In case they hit her,
Yeah. Well, she said she was hurting in her stomach.
Oh.
She said she was really dizzy.
Okay, so yeah, then maybe she's injured. Today's been insane, man. Rain and these fucking stabbings.
Stabbings?
Yeah.
Where at?
There's a triple stabbing off the city. Typical area. But nothing pisses me off when it rains.
Well, part of it is it rains so infrequently here
It's a big story.
that when it does rain, all the oil and stuff that's on these roads just turns them into a slick mess.
Oh, okay. That makes sense. That's why there's foam in the fucking.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's chemical in it.
All the antifreeze that leaks, all the oil that leaks, transmission fluid.
Is it because we don't put anything on there, or because other cities I never see, like Seattle right there, the problem?
Because it rains all the time in Seattle, so it
just
washes it off.
out. That makes sense. The sun bakes it into the ground.
Yeah.
So she's okay though, right? Like no
She was talking.
Okay.
She's talking to the EMS guys.
Seem coherent to you?
At the time, yes.
Okay, just scared?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Scared, and she was physically hurting, so I don't.
Maybe sure.
I got KOAT here, guys.
What's up, guys?
I'll move off of it so I don't.
Just one quick question.
Yeah.
So it was the rain.
As far as I know, I don't think I talked to them and I talked to them. None of them sounded drunk. Okay. I don't know who lost control or who slammed on their brakes first, but
Pretty obvious, maybe, huh?
yeah. We're right outside of Rockin' Room, guys, so that's what you're hearing in the background. It's actually owned by Gene Simmons of Kiss. I can move if I'm in your shot.
I'm not gonna be.
Okay. Want to try and keep a good relationship with any of the media that does show up.
Well, you're officially a journalist. You have a good night. Be safe.
Have a good night. You just needed some quick shots, huh? Hopefully they can get her out of there and get her into the ambulance pretty quickly here. And guys, I know some of the footage has been a little blurry, but I'm going to include everything I have. All right, they finally got an EMT here, or paramedics. I don't know what happened to the first one. The first one's over there driving off, and this is a new one. There's 2 or 3 different ambulance companies that service Albuquerque. I don't know what the difference was. We're right next to the women's hospital. So, I mean, if there's something life-threatening, they can get her right across the street. Hopefully she had insurance. Hopefully. The rain's finally quit, so that's good. It's not even spitting or dripping down any. Still get a little bit of kicked up from the cars going by, but that's about it. He's got to rip that bumper off the bottom. He has to. I'll be able to tow it with it hanging like that.
See what happened?
No, I showed up right after.
Are you with somebody?
Nope. I'm a cop watcher.
Oh, okay.
So.
That's my sister right there.
In the car?
Yeah.
Okay, so I did, when I came up, she got out, like, as soon as I got over here, I'm parked over there, okay? As soon as I got over here, she got out of the car and sat in the middle median. Okay. And I'm like, that's dangerous.
Yeah.
It's better for her to at least be in the car. She didn't want to come across and come over here. So I helped her walk back to her car. But other than that, that's really all I know.
Can I get your number?
My number?
Yeah.
My phone is shut off, but I'll give you my email.
Yeah.
It's ABQ. Well, let me know when you're ready.
ABQ.
.angling, A-N-G-L-I-N-G.
A-N-G.
L-I-N-G.
L-I-N-G.
At Gmail.
Okay.
Yeah, it's a rough time of the month for us right now, rough time of the year. So, we're on Cricket, so we can basically just not pay the next month and they'll just shut it off. And then when payday comes, we'll turn it back on. And if you look up ABQ Freedom on YouTube, I'm going to post all of this probably tonight or tomorrow morning. You miss? Oh, good. She's walking to the ambulance, so that's good. Looks like everybody's going to be okay. Police haven't said a word to me. I haven't even looked in my direction, so another pass for APD so far. They may come over and ask about my footage, and I'll tell them where they can find it. I'll post it tonight. Looks like there's some wiring or something that he doesn't want to break. He's going to have to cut to get that bumper off. Slow down for the weather conditions, guys. I know it's just, people say it's just rain, but when you live in a city like this in the middle of the desert where it hardly ever rains and you got thousands of cars every day coming by leaking oil, transmission fluid, radiator fluid, it's like this police officer may want to come talk to me. The roads get slicker than snot when the rain comes out. How's it going?
I was wondering, I saw you when I pulled up. Did you by chance see what happened?
I did not. Do you mind if I back up just a bit so I can get you in the video?
Yeah, that's fine.
No, I did not see what happened. I came like right after it. Like okay. I drove by right after.
Okay. Good.
I know that when I pulled up and I got out here, this driver exited her car and sat in the middle for a minute or two. And I went over there because I don't think that was safe, her just sitting there in the middle, even though there were cars there. And I walked her back to her car because she didn't want to come all the way across to over here. Otherwise, I was going to have her come over here.
Yeah. Okay. Well, I appreciate you helping out.
I'm just honestly, I'm a cop watcher, so.
Okay.
It's.
Maybe we're all here to help out.
Yeah.
Okay.
right, guys. Well, I think that's about it. The fire truck's taken off. All that's left is for the tow truck to come and really take the other car out of here. We've still got the Chevy here, which, you know, I'm sure they're going to let her leave. They might give her a case number or something, but I really don't think it's her fault. But anyway, guys, that's going to be it for me for ABQ Freedom tonight. I hope you guys have a great evening wherever you are. Be safe.